Hi friends, good morning everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to G Prashant YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about some more important problems on percentage concept. It is chapter 8, very useful for Gurukul and Navodaya, like that competitive examinations. See first question. A man's monthly income is 1500 if he spent 80% of it. The balance amount is. So total income is 1500. That means this is 100%. How much he spent? 80%. What we know? How much left? How much he spent? That is we don't know amount. So first find out this. So cross multiplication, that means 80 into x equals to 80 into x equals to 1500 into 100, isn't it? Send this 80 from left to right. On left side it is multiplication, it goes from right side, it becomes division. That means 1500 into 100. Sorry, I have written wrong. So 1500 into 80. So this is and 100 into x, isn't it? Send this 100 this side. So from right to left, left to right, on left side it is a multiplication, it comes from right side, it becomes a division. So these two zeros cancels. What we left? 15 into how much? 80. So 1 0 is there, you can write 0 as it is. So 5 8 is 40, 0, 4 is carry, 1 8 is 8 plus 4 12. So 80% he spent. So how much money he spent? That is 1200. So what we need? The balance amount. That means total amount minus spent amount. We get the balance amount 0 0. 5 minus 2 means 3, 1 minus 1 means 0. So what we got? 300. So the balance amount is how much? 300 is the balance amount. So that means option number 1 is the right answer of the given question. So nothing is there. 1500 means 100% of salary and 80% is spent. So first we find the how much he spent. Cross multiplication means 1500 multiplying with 80 and x multiplying with 100. Now send that 100 from right to left, it becomes a division. So 1500 into 80 by 100, two zeros cancel, then 15 into 80 multiplication of these two gives the 1200. That is the spent amount. That means 80% of amount is 1200. So total amount minus spent amount, that means 1200. We got the, but see what is the amount balanced. So that is 300 is the balance amount. So 300 is the answer of the given question. Now move to next question. See here, 75% of 20 plus 20% of 75. So 75%. 70 plus 5%. 75% I am writing like this. Of means into 20 plus 20% means 2 into 10% I am writing. Of means into 75. Isn't it? Now this 75, sorry, this 70, once again I am writing 7 into 10% into with 20 plus 5%. 5% means 10% dividing with 2 into this 20, isn't it? Sorry, there is not there. This is the 20. So 10% we got here, that 10% dividing here, isn't it? So that's why no need to take the 20. Next, 2 into 10%. 10% means 2 into 75 can be written as 7.5. Now that becomes here 7 into 10%. 10% of 20 means 2.0 plus half of 10% means, that means 2.0 by 2, isn't it? So what is the symbol here? Plus. Multiply this. 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 is there. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 means 15. Put after a decimal there is a 1 digit. Yes, appropriate place we put the decimal point. Now multiply this. 7 into 0, 0. 7 2s are 14. 14.0 means after a decimal point 1 digit is there. So now dividing these we get 1.0 plus 15.0. Add all these, we get the answer. That means 15.0, next 14.0, next 1.0. Addition of all this means 0 decimal. This becomes 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1 means 10, 1 is carry, 30, 30.0. That means 30 is the answer of this question. That means option number 4 is the answer of the given question. Are you understood? So 75% can be splitted at 70 plus 5%. So once again 70% can be written as 7 into 10%. Isn't it? 7 into 10%. So 10% means putting a decimal point. After a decimal point there is a 1 digit compulsory. Like that, that is the 10%. 5% means half of 10%. Are you understood? Clear about this concept? Now move to next question. See, Bindu got 75 marks out of 150 in English and 80 out of 200 in mathematics. She scored well. So 75 for English. This 75. How many total marks are? 150 into 100. Cancel this 0, this 0. Now 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. Isn't it? Now that becomes 75 into 2 by 3. 3 1s are 3. Here 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. That becomes 25 into 2. That becomes 50. In English she got how much percent? 50%. Now go to max. So for mathematics, Bindu scored marks is numerator 80, denominator is maximum marks, total marks into 100%. Cancel these two zeros, these two zeros. Now 80 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 40s are. That means in mathematics she got 40%, in English she got 50%. So she scored well in what? English. Why? Because of when compared to these two percentages, English is the more percent better than maths. So this is the answer of the given question. If you like this video, please share and subscribe it. Click on bell icon for regular updates. I did any mistake in this video, please apologize me. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all who are supporting to me.